Welcome to the tool warehouse.
Whoa!
We learn to use them.
I am Motor the Marmot. I fix things.
And I am Manuel. But why use tools? My hands work fine.
Can your hands tighten 100 bolts?
This is a ratchet. Click magic.
It sounds like a tiny robot sneezing.
It tightens bolts fast.
Behold, the wrench!
Looks like a metal banana.
It grips bolts so they don't escape. Behold, the electric drill. It makes holes.
So cool!
Hammer time.
Huh?
It helps build tree houses and cool stuff. Twist, twist.
That's for screws?
Flathead and Phillips, tool superheroes. High. Measure twice. Cut once. You're learning already. Safety goggles on.
I look like a science ninja.
Safe builders are smart builders.
But why should kids learn?
Tools help you fix bikes and many things.
That's awesome!
Build something, feel proud.
Like I made this proud.
Exactly, Marmot approved confidence. Want more tool-tastic fun?
Hit like and subscribe!
And keep building awesome stuff.